In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Klaviyo account, which is an essential tool for managing your email marketing efforts efficiently. Whether you're setting this up for your business or on behalf of a client, I'll guide you through each step to make the process as smooth as possible. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to the Klaviyo website. Simply type www.klaviyo.com into your address bar and press Enter. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted by their homepage where you'll see all kinds of information about what Klaviyo can do for you. Take a moment to scan through it if you want, or proceed directly to the sign-up process. Next, look for the Sign Up button. It's usually prominently displayed on the homepage, often near the top right corner. Clicking this button will direct you to the Sign Up page where you can begin the process of creating your account. Now, the first piece of information you'll need to enter is your email address. Make sure to use an email address that you access frequently, as Klaviyo will send important communications to it. Double-check for any typos to avoid missing out on receiving confirmation emails or important account notifications. Moving on, the next detail to submit is your password. When creating your password, aim for a strong one by combining upper and lower case letters, numbers, and special symbols. This helps ensure your account remains secure. Make it complex, but remember it's something you'll need to access regularly. Following this, you'll be asked to provide your company name. If you're signing up for personal use, you can use your name or alias here. For those working on behalf of a company, accurately enter the business name for clarity, especially if multiple people will be accessing the account. Then, it's time to input your company website. This adds another layer of authenticity to your profile. If you don't have a business website, you can either leave it blank or provide a personal blog link if applicable. Next, go ahead and input your phone number. A phone number enables Klaviyo to offer additional account security and is usually required for verification purposes. Make sure it's a number you have access to, just in case they need to contact you. After entering these details, you'll be prompted to specify how you plan to use Klaviyo, be it for your own business or for client projects. This helps tailor the experience to suit your particular needs and ensures that you're getting the most relevant setup. Once all the information has been filled out, you'll see an option to agree to their terms and conditions, often in the form of a checkbox or circle. It's crucial to read through these terms beforehand to understand the commitments you're entering. Finally, prove you're not a robot by ticking the CAPTCHA box. Once you've done that, click on the Create Account button to officially kick off your Klaviyo journey. And there you have it, a new Klaviyo account ready to be used for your email marketing needs. Remember, from here, you can start exploring the platform, setting up your first campaigns, and optimizing your marketing strategies. Thanks for watching, and happy marketing!